Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you guys this brand new Monopoly Go hack that works on both iOS and Android in 2026. As you guys can see, I'm getting unlimited dice rolls right now with this Monopoly Go cheat, and I'm also getting unlimited cash. Take a look here, guys. This hack is insane, and again I'm gonna show y'all how you can get this Monopoly Go hack for unlimited dice rolls on both iOS and Android, and it works in 2026 as well. Now I'm going to show y'all how I did it. You're going to have to use an AI called HacksGPT to get access to this cheat. This is the AI that I've used to get it, guys. Once you're here, just go ahead and type Monopoly Go. As you can see, the AI is also going to suggest you guys a response, so you can tap on it, then press on this green button, and now the AI is going to give you guys a response. This is the response that it gave me. Go ahead and read all these steps, guys. These are really easy steps, by the way, and there are also some pictures here so that you can follow the process a bit more easier. So scroll all the way down, read all these steps, then go ahead and scroll up again. Press on this green button right here that says press here. Here you guys need to enter your Monopoly Go username, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enter mine. Now select your device. As you can see, it works on both iPhone and Android. Here, if you press on this see comments button, you can see some comments left by the people who already got this hack. Just exit, then press connect. Select the amount of dice rolls and cash that you guys want to get. I recommend selecting a smaller amount just to avoid raising suspicions. Then press on this button. Wait until this VPN is gonna connect. By the way, guys, this VPN connection is done for your safety. This is to make sure that you can avoid getting banned. So again, this VPN connection, guys, is for your own safety. And right now the AI is gonna generate all these dice rolls and cash, and it's gonna add them into your Monopoly Go account. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go in 2026. If you got any issues with this tool, just go back to the AI and talk to it. You can ask for help and all that kind of stuff, and it's actually gonna help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.